If you are dreaming of working at Amazon but don't know where to start, then this video is for you. And this video will explain the complete roadmap. I will show you everything from finding the right job, creating a resume, applying on Amazon career portal, clearing online assessment, cracking interviews, and getting your offer letter. Whether you are a fresher or an experienced professional, watch this till the end because one mistake can cost you the fortune. So this video consists of total 12 parts along with a short roadmap for you for next 30 days. So the first part is who can apply. Amazon has some multiple roles, and we don't always need coding skills. So Amazon has for both IT and non-IT roles. Non-IT roles includes customer service, transportation representative, OAI associate, catalog associate, and many more roles where you don't need any coding skills. Now we have tech roles as well. So tech roles include software developer engineers, cloud support engineers, IT support associate, and many more. That needs coding skills. So if you are proficient in coding, then you are good fit for tech roles. And if you don't know coding, then don't worry. There are a lot of opportunity in non-tech roles. Part 2, eligibility criteria. Now, anyone, freshers, graduate, diploma engineers is eligible for job opportunities and it depends on role to role, but yes, freshers can also apply for multiple roles in Amazon. Basically, the kind of skill Amazon looks for you is looking in UX communication skills, ownership, customer obsession, problem solving skills, teamwork, and time management. If you have these skills, then you are a good fit for Amazon. Part third, documents required. Now, because we have already talked about the roles available in Amazon, we should be aware of that the documents required while filling the application process, or maybe once you get selected, you need these documents. So before applying, keep ready with these documents so that it will make your entire process easy. Updated resume, government IDs, passport size photo, degree certificate, experience certificate, salary slip if you are experienced, PAN card and other. These are the basic documents required if you are going to apply a job in Amazon. Part 4, creating an ATS resume. Now, every company is picking the candidates by using that ATS-friendly CV. If your CV is not ATS-friendly, then your CV might get rejected at initial level. So always create your resume ATS-friendly. That includes your name, your phone number, your email ID, your LinkedIn profile, your profile summary, which is very important, your skills, your work experience, your education, your achievements, project if you've done any kind of certification. Keep it a one page if possible, because most of the people or most of the ATS-friendly CV I have seen in my career is like one page CV that includes everything short and crisp. One tip here is do not mention like an example, do not mention like that managed me. Always explain at least one linear that managed a team of 25 associates or managed a team of 25 people achieving 98% productivity. That shows your achievement or that shows a number. Number always, always try to mention a number in the CV that will, show your attentivity and that number defines exactly what you have done in your experience. Now, coming to part 5, Amazon job portal. It's time to apply for the job. Step first, visit Amazon job portal. You can visit the official website or official website I would suggest because on official website you will get all the clear details where if you are trying to see the job details from some other job portals, you might miss out on few things, but on the official website you will get all the details properly. So the next step is once you visit on Amazon Jobs, create your account. upload your resume, search job using keyword. For example, if you're looking for customer service job roles, mention customer service while you're searching for a specific job. Or maybe if you're looking for virtual job opportunities, whatever it is, just mention the keywords. Step 5, select location. Location is very important because let's say if you are planning to apply for a job role in Delhi and by mistake you are applied for some other location, there is no point. If you are getting selected, you might have to think a lot before taking this step. So always ensure that you are choosing the best location where you are comfortable to maybe relocate or you are staying at the same place. Step 6. Read job description carefully. Most of the people are doing this mistake that they are randomly applying for the job roles, which is not ethical, I would say, because if you are randomly applying for one company, they will observe the pattern. They will get to know that this person is randomly applying for multiple job roles, and your chances of getting selected become very less. So always read the job description carefully. Now, once you are done with all these steps and if you find that job is perfect for you, go ahead and apply. Click on applying. Fill every field correctly. Double check your email ID and your mobile number so that if any recruiter or any hiring person want to reach out to you, they will directly connect you. Part 6, application status. After applying, you will see a status like application submitted and under consideration, assessment schedule. Like that, you will be getting the state application status. It may be interview schedule no longer under consideration, offer extended. So don't panic if your application stays under review for several days. In Amazon, it will take few days to review your application, and the hiring team will take some time to shortlist it. Now, part 7, online assessment. Many Amazon roles require an assessment. It may include skill-based questions, situational judgments, work style assessment, typing test, English test, and first aid test, and many more. So keep checking your emails if you are getting any assessment email from Amazon. For few roles, it is required. For tech roles, you might be getting coding assessment and maybe technical MCQ. So keep checking, read every question carefully, stay consistent, and do not rush. Part 8, leadership principle. In Amazon, the most important part is while you're giving interview, everybody judge you based on leadership principle. So Amazon interviews are heavily based on leadership principle, I would say. Know these well, like you should be aware about Amazon leadership principle. First is customer obsession, second is ownership, third is invest in simplify, fourth is learn and be curious, fifth is hire and develop the best, sixth is insist on the highest standard, seventh is think big, eighth is bias for action, ninth is earn trust, tenth is deep dive, and last is having backbone, deliver results. So these are the few leadership principles which is important, and ensure that you are using these leadership principles while answering the question wherever you have the interview schedule. Now, just an example question. If anybody is asking you, tell me about a time you had a difficult customer. You have to ensure that you are giving answer in star format first. Now, what is this star format? Star format is situation, task, action, and result. This is a very simplified form of giving answer in interview. You have to prepare all your answer in star format. That will help you to give a prompt answer to the interview. Part 9, interview process. Interview process consists of multiple stages. First is HR round. In HR round, most of the questions being asked, introduce yourself, why you want to join Amazon, your strength, your weakness, your salary expectation, or maybe will ask you about multiple things. It depends on what you want. So prepare just a basic question for HR. Part 10, STAR method. What is this STAR method? Always answer relevant question like this: situation that explain the background, task which means your responsibility, action what exactly you did, and result mention measurable outcomes. An example: if you are giving that I've handled the team in my past, this is not the right answer. You have to be very particular while you're giving answers. So I'm giving you a right example how you can code your answer. I improved productivity for my team from 90 to 98% by introducing daily tracking and coaching sessions. So this statement shows that from 90% to 98%, you have done something that changed the team productivity. So always put your answer in a form where it should be measurable in number. Now, part 11, salary expectation. So salary depends on roles, location, experience, skill sets, shift timing, employment types, and many more. So always do a check-in before you sit in an interview. That let's say for a specific role, this is a kind of budget company is having for the profile. So prepare a mindset that this is the budget. You will get an indicative budget on maybe on Glassdoor, or there are multiple websites that will help you get a basic idea of the budget. So always prepare yourself by checking all these details prior to the interview session. Now part 12, common mistakes which everybody can do and that will lead to a rejection in interview answer. Do not use fake experience. Do not copy resume. Don't ignore leadership principle. As mentioned before, leadership principle is very important. Don't apply randomly. Don't miss interview emails. Don't lie during interview. Always tell the right story. Ensure that you are telling the correct story to the interviewer. And as mentioned, use the star format while you are telling any answer. Don't get panicked for anything. In any of the interview round, don't get panicked. Now, part 13. In the part 13, I will be explaining you about your 13 days preparation plan. Where in week 1, you can prepare a CV, you can update your LinkedIn profile, and you can collect your documents. In week 2, you can study about leadership principle, practice aptitude, and practice communications. Because in interview, I have seen that it almost went for 30 minutes, where you have to continuously speak and explain about your experience and many more things. So practice communication. Third is mock interviews. Give mock interviews as much as possible. Prepare a star stories. Prepare a stories in a star format. That will definitely help you. Third is role-based questions. So in week 3, the important part is prepare your role-based questions. Let's say if you are preparing for an example, customer service role. Always prepare scenarios around customer service. That can be, tell me a time when you had a pet customer and how did you handle it? You have to prepare the answer in star format in this situation. So always prepare role-based questions. In week 4, you can apply for the jobs, follow-ups, attend interviews, and revise everything. Trust me, getting a job in Amazon is not always about it. It's about preparation, build a strong resume, apply strategically, understand Amazon leadership principle, practice the star format, and stay consistent. If you are serious about joining Amazon, start today. Every application is one step closer to your offer. If you want the entire roadmap, just comment on the video. I'll personally share the entire roadmap in your DM. And do comment if you have any question. Specifically, I have explained all the 13 parts. I'll prepare a separate video or maybe I'll reply to a comment along with the answer. And if you find this roadmap helpful, like this video, subscribe for more Amazon hiring updates, interview tips and career guidance. Comment your dream Amazon role below and I'll create a dedicated interview preparation video for you. Also, share this video with your friends who are preparing for Amazon interview.